Do you have a dress code? Seriously, do you have a dress code? I personally adhere to the Norma Desmond dress code, something I call the Norma Desmond dress code. So what's the Norma Desmond dress code? Well, if you know anything about Norma Desmond, as played by Gloria Swanson in the movie Sunset Boulevard, which I'm going to assume you've seen, or you'll Google and look up that movie. It is one of the most fabulous movies ever. Norma was always ready for her closed-up. She may have been past her prime, although in real life, Gloria Swanson was 50, younger than I am now, when she made the movie. But she was always decked out. She had her face done. She had her hair done. She had accessories on. And this was even before Joe Gillis, when she maybe had no plans to go anywhere but roam around her house. So why'd she do it? Because I bet, not unlike my funny women greeting cards that live by the credo, who cares how you feel on the inside, as long as you look fabulous on the outside, that she believed in that as well. And I think it affected how, okay, my husband's in the background. Okay, I have since shooed husband away. I keep saying this. When we agreed to marry, we agreed to love, honor, obey, all those things, but we did not agree to work from home together. It's a challenge, people. It's a challenge. Anyway, back to Norma Desmond. In working from home, who knew life lessons through greeting cards? I write and illustrate my funny women greeting cards. I sell them on Etsy. And the nucleus of the humor is vanity. And that's where I came up with this Norma Desmond dress code. Actually, I've been saying it for years, and I have to somehow, some way put it in a card, because I think it's so true. How you dress, how you put yourself together affects how you feel. And even if I'm not going to see anybody outside of the home, which is rare because I do try to get out at least once a day, I do have to walk past the mirror. We all have to walk past a mirror. So I think taking a little pride in one's appearance can absolutely affect your productivity, can affect your attitude and the confidence you exude. So I absolutely think Norma Desmond dress code, whether you're planning to see someone or not planning to see someone, put yourself together. And also, another adage I strongly believe in, which I definitely believe affects one's attitude: dress and put yourself together like you're going to run into someone you haven't seen in a long, long time. Because I promise you, when you don't, you will. And yes, I know, it's all about seeing the person and their soul and all of that. Yeah, blah, 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 blah. I would rather look my best and let my soul speak for itself, but I'd rather look my best. I think we'd all rather look our best because, again, it affects how we feel. And if we feel good, we do good and we are good. So there's much more deeper things than personal appearance, but I can't think what they are. On certain days, I think if you've got nothing else, put yourself together. Treat yourself nicely. Put a little plaster, spackle, glitter, shadow, whatever it is. It's going to affect your mood, tude, and I promise you the confidence you exude, even if you're just working on your own. So I'm going to eventually get a greeting card, and I'll link below to my current greeting cards, but I'm going to definitely get a greeting card together about the Norma Desmond dress code. But in the meantime, get ready for your close-up. Be ready for your close-up. I promise you, it will affect the way you feel. Like I said, mood, tude, and the confidence you exude. Word.